Hey, what's up everyone? I want to show you the new USB, and you got your voltage display. So as you can see, you get two USBs. I got it plugged up. Take that out for you. You get access to two USBs so you can charge your GoPro, smartphone up to 4.8. It's 3 times faster than the OEM one. This will actually get you a charge on a quick 30-minute ride. You'll probably get 25% of your power back in your phone or your device, whatever you're charging. And the best thing, you can do 2 at once. So it's off now, and we're showing we're right at 12 volts. And I've been playing my stereo, so this is something I use to watch to keep track of my voltage. And we're gonna start it up, and you'll see that you're charging just fine as you're riding. You see you're charged up while you're riding. We have a couple different options. When you hit it here, you can take the voltage meter off and just know the USB is on, just with the red light. And you can hold the button. That turns everything all the way off. Power off, no power draw, no nothing. You're good to go. These are real marine, not that fake marine where it's just splash and it will go out. If you was to drop this in a puddle of water or you flip your ski over, it's gonna survive. And we coated the inside so it can withstand from the environment of salt water. So we just wanted to show you what's new, and this is gonna come with the RTG system, and they're on the website. So you can get the standard touchscreen USB, or you can get this. I've been Cowboy B. Peace.